Hey everyone, Chris Hemsworth here. Let's talk about something that's blowing my mind, AI video generation. Specifically, a game changer called LTX Video by Litrix. This isn't just another AI tool, it's a revolution in how we make videos. The best part, it's totally free and open source. That means anyone can use it and unleash their creativity. LTX Video is all about giving power to the creator. It's user-friendly and packed with features that make video creation a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, LTX Video has something for you. Imagine creating stunning videos with the click of a button. That's the power of LTX Video. This incredible tool lets you generate high-quality videos with ease. Forget about expensive software and complicated setups. LTX Video makes the process simple and fun. It's time to say goodbye to limitations and hello to endless possibilities. Get ready to dive into the world of AI video generation. LTX Video is here to change the game, and I'm stoked to be along for the ride. One of the first things that impressed me about LTX Video is its speed. This thing is lightning fast. We're talking up to 30 times faster than other AI video generation models out there. That means less time waiting and more time creating. In the past, generating high-quality videos could take hours, even days. LTX Video changes all that. It harnesses the power of AI to produce stunning results in a fraction of the time. Imagine rendering a complex scene in minutes instead of hours. That's the LTX Video difference. This speed opens up a whole new world of possibilities for creators. Need to produce videos on tight deadlines? No problem. LTX Video can handle it. Want to experiment with different ideas without waiting forever? Go for it. LTX Video empowers you to work quickly and efficiently. So if you're tired of waiting around for your videos to render, LTX Video is the answer. It's time to experience the future of video creation. Fast, powerful, and incredibly efficient. LTX Video isn't just about speed. It's also packed with incredible features. Let's dive into some of the things that make this tool so special. First up, we have free upscaling. This means you can take your videos to the next level of quality without spending a dime. Next, we have video extension. This awesome feature lets you seamlessly extend your videos, creating longer and more engaging content. And let's not forget about keyframe control. This gives you precise control over your animations, allowing you to bring your creative vision to life. LTX Video also boasts advanced features like depth of field effects and realistic lighting. These tools add a new layer of polish and professionalism to your videos, and with its intuitive interface, you'll be mastering these features in no time. Whether you're a filmmaker, animator, or content creator, LTX Video has the tools you need to take your work to the next level. It's time to unleash your creativity and explore the limitless possibilities of AI video generation. Now you might be thinking, this all sounds great, Chris, but do I need a powerful computer to run LTX Video? The answer might surprise you. You can access all the power of LTX Video online through LTX Studio. That's right, no need for a fancy GPU or expensive hardware. LTX Studio is a cloud-based platform that makes AI video generation accessible to everyone. Simply log in, upload your prompts and assets, and let LTX Video work its magic. It's that easy. The intuitive interface guides you through every step of the process, making it a breeze to create stunning videos. With LTX Studio, you can generate videos from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. This opens up a world of possibilities for collaboration and creativity. Imagine working on a project with a team from across the globe, all within the LTX Studio platform. So whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, LTX Studio provides a seamless and accessible way to experience the power of LTX Video. No more excuses. It's time to unleash your creativity and start creating amazing videos today. Section 5, Bringing Imagination to Life. LTX Video in action. Let's see LTX Video in action. The results are mind-blowing. I created a boxing match clip. LTX Video nailed it. Fluid movements, impactful punches, engaging scene. Then a bustling marketplace scene. LTX Video rose to the challenge. A vibrant marketplace teeming with life. Could it handle anime? Anime-style action sequence, boom. Dynamic poses, exaggerated movements, anime flair. LTX video captured the essence of anime. Just a few examples of LTX video's versatility. It can generate a wide range of styles and genres. The only limit is your imagination. Section 6. From Pixar dreams to anime adventures, unleashing the potential. Now, let's talk about the real-world applications of LTX video. This technology has the potential to revolutionize various industries. Imagine creating Pixar-quality animated films without the massive budget and time commitment. LTX video makes it possible. With its ability to generate high-quality animation and realistic movements, LTX video empowers independent filmmakers and studios to bring their stories to life like never before. And it's not just limited to animation. LTX video can be used to create complex action sequences for live-action films, saving time and resources on set. The world of video games is another area where LTX video can shine. Imagine generating stunning cutscenes and in-game cinematics with ease. LTX video can also be used to create procedural content, making games more dynamic and engaging, but it doesn't stop there. LTX video has applications in education, advertising, and even virtual reality. The possibilities are truly endless. This technology is still in its early stages, but it's already clear that LTX video has the potential to change the way we create and consume video content. Section 7. The Offline Advantage LTX video with comfy UI. Now, for those who prefer working offline or want even more control over their video generation, LTX video has you covered. Thanks to its integration with comfy UI, a powerful and user-friendly interface, you can unleash the full potential of LTX video right on your own computer. Comfy UI simplifies the process of setting up and using LTX video. It provides a visual workflow editor that makes it easy to adjust parameters, add effects, and customize your video generation pipeline. And with its support for the FP8 quantized model, you can run LTX video on a wider range of hardware, even without a top-of-the-line GPU. The offline capabilities offered by Comfy UI open up a world of possibilities for creators. You're no longer limited by internet speed or online processing times. Work on your projects at your own pace, experiment freely, and push the boundaries of what's possible with LTX video. So whether you're a seasoned professional or a tech-savvy enthusiast, Comfy UI provides the perfect platform to explore the offline capabilities of LTX video. Dive in, experiment, and discover the true potential of AI video generation on your own terms. Section 8. Your creative journey starts here. Setting up Comfy UI. Ready to embark on your offline AI video generation journey with LTX video and Comfy UI? Setting it up is a breeze. First, you'll need to download and install Comfy UI, which is available for free on their official website. Don't worry, they have a straightforward installation guide to walk you through the process. Once Comfy UI is up and running, you'll need to download the LTX video model files and install them within the Comfy UI environment. Again, the LTX video community provides detailed instructions and support to make this process smooth sailing. With everything in place, you're ready to start creating. Comfy UI's intuitive interface makes it easy to load the LTX video model, input your prompts and parameters, and hit that generate button. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can start producing stunning videos right on your own computer. And the best part? The Comfy UI community is incredibly active and supportive. If you ever run into any issues or have questions, there's a wealth of knowledge and helpful individuals ready to assist you. So, dive in, explore, and let your creativity run wild with LTX video and Comfy UI. Section 9. Mastering the art of AI video. Advanced techniques with LTX video. Let's explore advanced techniques to elevate your LTX video skills. Use custom models trained on specific datasets. Fine-tune LTX video for unique art styles, mimic cinematography, or align with your brand's aesthetic. Use video in-painting to modify elements, opening creative possibilities. Automate tasks and generate videos with a click. The possibilities are limitless with LTX video. Keep experimenting and exploring.